Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video and review at the Hux World. And yes, it is the weekend, people. It's time to get out, enjoy family and friends, have some fun, or just simply relax. All right, now before we get started, I got to thank you guys in the door for your patience and your understanding with the issue that I was having with redeeming watch face codes. We found out what the problem was, so we got some videos. They're bagged up. We also got some names of some winners we got to call out today, and we got some more winners that we're going to call out maybe tomorrow or the day after. Cool? Again, thank you for your patience. Now, we got to thank the developers in the door for the donation of the watch faces. Now, we got SMZ in the building doing his thing. This guy flipped the script on that digital watch face. It's called Act 9. This guy got down. I'm very impressed what SMZ is doing and where he's going with his watch faces. Then we got a new guy on the block. He's new to me. He's got a few watch faces in his lineup. Now he goes by the name of Wu Jin Wang. This guy lit up the suit and also the chameleon. It's called Pockery Chameleon. The suit, this guy got down. Now, we got watch face codes from SMZ that's just only going to be for the US, but for the Pockery watch faces by Wu Jin Wang, we do have some for the international who normally comments in the comment section down below. Now, if you want your country to be called out or your name, you're from a different country, you got to email me. I got to get your name and you got to comment in the comment section down below. That's the only way you have an opportunity to win. Comment on the videos. Cool? All right, now let's start off with SMZ, right? SMZ watch face is called Act 9. Let's call out the names. Now, we got Bill. Congratulations, Bill. We got Lori. Congratulations, Lori. Now, we got a few new people behind Lori that we want to encourage. Catch the email that's going across the screen. I'm going to put the email in the description box down below. Email me in the next 2 days to grab your watch face code. After that, I'm going to give them to somebody else because I don't want the watch face codes to expire. Cool? All right, so we got Todd Thomas. We also got S. Long and Larry Boone. Congratulations, you all. You are winners of a SMZ Act 9 watch face. Okay? Let's go ahead. Let's call out the winners of the Pockery watch face by Wu Jin Wang. Now we got, for the chameleon, we got Peaceful Warrior. For Lux Digital, we got Junior Sam. Well, let's say JR Jr. All right. Then we got for the suit, we got Rev Raymond. And we also got for Cricket Time, C. Rod. Now, for the international people, I know who you are. You're probably going to get all of them, right? So with that being said, that's it. Let me let you get out of here. I got to get out of here. I got more watch faces to review. But again, thank you guys for always having my back. Enjoy the weekend. Enjoy family and friends. And again, remember, just be safe. All right? Hit the like button on the way out. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And with that, I'll see you guys at the next video. Take care.